Hi everyone, this is Rick MacDermid here with Senior Solutions Group, and I trust that everyone is doing well and taking measures to protect themselves and yourselves and your loved ones from spreading the virus, the coronavirus. And I want you to know that we are here for you if you have any concerns or questions. Take some time for yourself, turn off the news, get outside, get some fresh air, take care of yourself, stretch, exercise, eat well, get good sleep, call a friend, call a family member, encourage them. We're going to get through this. Also, Medicare has some services available such as telehealth, so you don't have to go to your doctor's office if you're concerned about getting infected. Call your doctor or your provider if you have questions about this. Also, all corona testing is covered 100% by Medicare, and all services are covered 100% by Medicare for the coronavirus. Also, be aware, scammers, whenever there's a national emergency, are out there, and they will try to take advantage of you and your fear, and they will take advantage of the fact that we as a nation are distracted right now. Do not give away your Medicare number. Guard it like you would a credit card. Unless you're 100% sure of who that person is that's asking you for your Medicare information, do not give it out and hang up the phone. Also, want you to be aware that right now, if you are turning 65, you can apply for Medicare online. But if you've worked beyond age 65, there are some additional steps that you need to apply for Medicare Part B, and that is through Social Security, which most offices nationwide are closed. So the government is working on work behinds to be able to enable you to get enrolled in Medicare in a timely manner. So be patient. If you have questions, feel free to contact us at Senior Solutions Group. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.